Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Toshiba portable air conditioner not blowing cold air. Clean filter, check refrigerant. Fix 1 is make sure the AC is set to cool mode. Turn on the portable AC, then press the mode button until cool mode is selected. Then set the temperature lower than the current room temperature. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes to see if cool air start blowing. Second one is clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the AC, then remove the air filter from the back of the unit. Then wash it with warm water and mild soap. Then let the filter dry completely. Reinstall the filter and turn the AC back on. Third one is check the exhaust hose. Make sure the exhaust hose is securely connected. Then check for bend, kinks or blockage. Then straighten the hose if needed. Then keep the hose as short as possible for better airflow. Fourth one is empty the water tank. Turn off the AC, then place a container under the drain plug. Then remove the drain cap and let the water drain. Then reinstall the drain cap, then restart the AC. Fifth one is reset the portable air conditioner. Turn off the unit, then unplug it from the power outlet, then wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart the AC. Thanks for watching.